Hey, I want to show you how to use PersonaLive for site selection. We're going to be using Serena and Lily as our example. They are a high-end furniture retailer based on the coast, but they want to move into the Indianapolis market. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at the top 5 locations and see what customer segments are visiting those locations and driving that success. So then we can go find those people in the Indianapolis market. I've already ran these locations. I'm going to show you how to run the first one, this Montauk Highway. So this location is in the Hamptons. So I'm going to go to our site analysis tool, type in that address, and what you're going to see is a satellite image of this location. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw a polygon around their store, and what we're going to get is all of the devices that have visited based on NIRS data in the past 12 months. And what PersonaLive does is it segments each one of those devices based on the block group that it came from. So like I said, I already ran that, so I'm going to look up our Montauk location in the Analyze tab. And I'm hitting that now and analyzing the site. We can see 44% of people that have visited this location comes from the Sunset Boomer segment, which is unsurprising. But we want to know across those top 5 locations, what are their top 5 segments. So I'm going to go ahead and grab those here. We've got our Montauk location here, Palm Beach, and Dallas, and Del Mar. So I'll analyze those sites. Okay, so we got our customer profile here. Ultra-wealthy families, Sunset Boomers, educated urbanites, and young professionals and wealthy suburban families are the segments that are visiting their top 5 locations. Now, we want to take that profile, that thumbprint, and go find that in the Indianapolis market. So I'm going to pull that up on a map here, and I've already got all 5 of those segments, but you actually don't need a map, and I'll show you that later. So we can see the darker areas are where these people are more present in most of the population. So 97% of the people in this particular block group are in the segments that we just found out are really good for Serena and Lily. So that's how you do site selection. Now we want to get to an actual spot. So I've actually pulled up 2 open air centers, which is typically where Serena and Lily locate in the vicinity of these block groups that we know over-index on having Serena and Lily customers. So we have the Hamilton Town Center and Clay Terrace Boulevard. So we know both of these trade areas have a lot of people living in them that are Serena and Lily's customer, but are they actually going to that open air shopping center? You can use the site analysis tool to find that. So like I said, I've already ran these, so we're just going to see how closely these two locations intersect with Serena and Lily's customers. So I'm going to type in Hamilton Town Center, and we got that. Now look at our segmentation over here: ultra wealthy families, Sunset Boomers, educated urbanites. We want to see if these people show up at Hamilton Town Center. Okay, urban suburban diverse families, no. Ultra wealthy families, yes. Wealthy suburban families, yes. Okay, so we have a few, and then let's look up our Clay Terrace location. We'll analyze that. All right, okay, 27% are coming from ultra-wealthy families, young professionals, wealthy suburban families, Sunset Boomers. Okay, so this is already looking like a better location. I already added these up, and we can see that 48% of people that are coming to this Clay Terrace Mall way over-index on visiting Serena and Lily's location on the coasts, whereas Hamilton Town Center, 30%. So there you go. That's how you do site selection using PersonaLive.